jargon, I call it verbosity term for, they call it auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory. What that means is you hear, you see, you smell, you taste, you touch.
Touch, yeah.
Right, so here's a prime example I give you, an analogy of where neuro-linguistic programming goes into effect because it affects your olfactory sensory perception. So when you ask a question about subliminals, subliminals has to take a whole, it's a conglomeration of subliminal, supraliminal, hyperliminal, hypnosis, neuro-linguistic programming, and also cognitive behavioral therapy, which is a whole different area. So, and then it begs much bigger philosophical questions, right? Like, the most pervasive definition of the word free will is the freedom to take action, make decisions, and govern events that's in accordance, and at the discretion.
From a lack of